And good morning, everybody. Well, technically, it's a good night in game, but it's good night in real life. It's a good morning in real life. So here we are. We're in San Diego, and let's go pick a load, and let's go do a load. So we got Yuma, Greensley, Price, Nogales, Arizona, Flagstaff, Stockton, California, Santa Maria, Barstow, Yuma. Let's take a long trip today, guys. Let's go. Yeah, there's this one for Rangeley, 918 miles. Perfect.
Let's go.
Well, let's go and get our load. We'll go to Rangeley, Colorado. And we'll see what time it is when we get done. Might be goddamn. Might be an hour video, might be a 2-hour video, who knows. We'll see how long this trip goes.
Go straight, then turn right.
Go straight and then turn right. So here.
Turn right.
I'll hit the light pole.
This is where it ends.
Alrighty. So let's do a pre-walk real quick. This is my truck. It's a Kenworth. It's one of them old block style trucks. I really like it. Actually hauls nice. It drives good. Handles very well. I think it's the best truck I've owned yet in this game. We got our articulated trucks. Got them all hooked up. I love how they're only hooked in the middle. Strange. Got some nice rims on that. think everything is in good shape, guys. Alright, let's go hop back up in the truck. I'd love to be able to go around it, but I can't. Actually, I wonder if I can. I'll have my partner move it for me a little bit. Thank you. Alright, let's finish the speed check. Got our oversized load. Good. Alright, everything looks good. Hop up to the truck. Alrighty. Yeah. Headlights work? Perfect. Alrighty. And here we go, off to Rangeley. I'm gonna try this as good as possible. Oh yeah, I turned my beacons on too. Forgot about that. I'm at half tank, so if I can find a gas station up here up the road, I'm gonna pull in and fill up on gas. I do have it in the convoy just in case if somebody joins. I do have 53 mods in here, so it's going to take people a while, but we'll see. I think we're only doing 65, 64, yeah, 'cause that's all we want to do with the external market.
Stay left.
Come up your gas station. Let's go fill up on gas.
Never mind. I'll find a new route. Go straight.
No brakes. You hit the corner. Ooh, I missed. Okay, I'm gonna turn wide, get on the dirt a little bit, and then take and go like this, and go full left. Alright, and here we are at the gas station, getting some gas. Get some gas, continue our trip all the way up to Rangeville. Let's slow up this hill.
Turn left.
Don't hit the wall. Oh, I missed the wall.
Stay left.
That sucks, dude. I'm gonna do 48. This is ridiculous. How many miles do we got? 863 miles left.
Stay left.
This is one game I really probably won't talk much on because I try to focus. Because I try to drive. I try to drive like a real trucker, but sometimes it doesn't end up working that way.
Stay right. Exit right. Exit right. Stay left. Stay right. Exit right. Exit right.
I may make this into a two-part video just because of how long the trip is, and I get bored. So we'll just drive for as long as we can, and then we'll pull over at someplace. We'll see though. Chuck does not like handling this stuff.
Stay left. Stay left. Stay left.
I think we'll drive until it gets dark again. Excuse me. Sure is hella bright out. 557 miles left. See how far we can make it before it becomes nighttime. Right down the middle lane. We're in Vegas. We're in Las Vegas. And we still got a long ways to go. Probably be about Cedar Cities, maybe Moab area before we get done. Who knows, maybe we'll finish this whole trip in this video.
Stay left. Stay left.
Alrighty. Just went through Las Vegas. Next town to go through is St. George, and Cedar City, Moab, and then Conjunction in the range. So that's the four little towns we gotta go through. Oh, 5. So we gotta go through St. George, Cedar City, Salina, Moab, Grand Junction, and then Rangely. It'd help if I keep my eyes on the road too instead of looking at the map. I'm gonna crash. And roll my truck. Well, well, shit. Well, let's get towed to a service and jeez. I think I lost that load on that one. Yeah. Well, that's gonna be the end of this video. So I'll see you on the next one. I can't believe I flipped my truck. That was the first time I've ever done that since I've played my game by myself. Normally, if I flip, I'm driving with someone and they're being an idiot. But that wasn't the case this time. It was me, not freaking paying attention. Alright, well, I will see you all on the next American Truck Simulator. I have no idea when that will be. There will be some more fun videos coming up. There's going to be some Need for Speed videos coming up. There's going to be the Hunter and Call of the Wild. There's going to be a whole bunch of games coming up here soon. We also got some 5M videos that I want to do. I have a couple now that are, one I'm not editing, I'm just going to upload it as is, and the second one I'm editing because I think it's cool as shit and I hope everyone enjoys it. So let's see, is that it before I go? I think so. Anyways, enjoy the rest of your day or night or weekend or week whenever you're watching this. Thank you for watching. Please enjoy the next one.